Hey guys, today I'm doing a review of the Globe Electric 32 multi-joint desk lamp. Of the making of this video, it is $17.99 on Amazon. Alright, let's open it up. See what we have inside. This is the front of it here. You can see the front of the box. Right here. See what we got in here. Oh, I think I broke it. Oh well. It's the first part here. Let's see. There we go. Right. You guys can see this. This is the part adjustable, where you can move it around and adjust it if you want. See how this plug is. Yeah, come on. Don't mess with me. What the heck? Oh, no cornbread here. There we go. Oh, here we go. Oh, nice. It's like you got a long cord. It's about, it says 6-foot cord. It's pretty long. And here is the cover. That goes on the front here for your LED light. It's pretty simple. It's some screws, it looks like, to put it on. It looks like here. Let's see. There's the other part. You piece of junk. It looks like, oh, put it on just like that, huh? No screws required. Look at that. I did it. Nobody believed in me. Alright, now here's the other parts. Let's open it up. This is the clamp here. You can clamp it onto your desk, wall, or anywhere you have a little spot that you can clamp this onto. Let's see what else is in here. This stupid bag, open up. Huh? Looks like I got some. Come on, get out of there. 2 springs here. They are the springs of death. Right, let's see. Sure, they're going somewhere. I got an instruction manual here. There we go. This will solve all my problems. You guys can see this instruction manual. Yeah, it is spots for the springs. I'll show you guys. Right here, those spots here, this is where the springs go. On each side, on this side, you can see them. It goes down to here. I might try to put one on here. Oh, that sucked. And try again. I never give up. There you go. Oh, you can hear it. Yes. Now this side, clamp here. Where's this clamp go? Ah, I did it. I'm a genius. So the clamp goes right in here. Just like that. Now, let me clamp you down, you beast. Let me clamp this down right here. This table. Sorry about it, guys. You guys probably can't even see this. All right. I think. Got it clamped down. All right, guys. I'll show you where it is. There you go. Here it goes. There it is. Clamped it down to this table right here. Look at that bad boy. Perfect. Now it's just, you know, a cheap little lamp. Yeah. I got it because I need the light for my PC. Yeah. That's why I got it. So I can shine a light on my PC monitor. You know, but it's cheap. 17 bucks. You know. If you need this kind of a light. This is the cheap version I got, so it's pretty good. Moves around, you can adjust it, all that. Clamps to your table, wherever. I'm sure somewhere you can clamp it to wherever you need to. But it's, you know, I like it. It's pretty nice. As always, thank you guys for watching my video.